Have you ever seen a yacht going directly into the wind? It's amazing how they tack across and move upwind. So if you're trying to stop the wind in your life purely with your hands, with your physical hands or your emotional hands, it's not likely to work, is it? You may have to change direction, change your thinking just a little bit. Think about this. What's going on in this situation? Am I causing this? Am I contributing to it? Am I causing the wind? Am I staying in this location and standing in the wind? Why don't I just move to a different location? If you're outside and it was blowing in your face, you'd go and stand behind a wall and go, there we go. Maybe you need to stand behind a spiritual wall or an emotional wall or a financial wall or a personal wall. Don't know the answer. Change direction, stand behind a wall, do something different. But you can't stop it with your hands, can you? It's just not going to work. Make a decision. Do something you need to do with this life, with the fantastic life, the fantastic person that you are. Change direction, move location, build a wall, do something different. You can do that. You can do it. I believe in you. The winds of change bring great things to those who know how to harness the wind. You know that to be true. You're listening and watching to an episode of Speed, short Bible episodes of enthusiasm and determination. I appreciate you watching. I really do. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.